Hello there, sewing friends. Let us make a high-low skirt. So this is the fabric that I'll be using today. Same fabric that I used in my last project. So I'll start by putting on my measurements, which will be my waist measurement, my hip measurement, and the length of my back panel. So this is the back panel. So I'll start by drafting the back panel, and then I'll go on and draft the front panel. Okay, so now I'm putting down my waist measurement. So my waist measurement is divided by 4, and then I go on and add about 5 centimeters since my skirt will have an elastic waist. Okay, so waist measurement divided by 4, and the hip measurement is also divided by 4. I will add on both the hip and the waist measurement, I will add the 5 centimeters for the stretch of the elastic. Okay, and now we have our measurements, the waist measurement, the hip measurement, and the length of the back panel. Okay, so my fabric is folded there, my fabric is on fold, and here I have my center back. So this side here on the fold, it is my center back here. This is where the low part will be, here on the center back. Okay, so now I will go on and put another measurement, one last measurement. So it will be a side measurement where the back panel and the front panel will meet on the side. So the side same measurement. Okay, so that measurement I'll make it will be 55 centimeters. Okay, so I will put that measurement there on the side. So as I said, that this is where the back and the front panel will meet there on the side. Okay, so the length of my back panel, the line here at the bottom is 70 centimeters. So now I want to design my low part of the skirt. So what I'll do is that I'll drive my marker from the 70 centimeters there from the center back to 55 centimeters there on the side. Okay, so I'll just drive my marker there all the way to the 55 centimeters. Okay, so the center back, the 70 centimeters will be my low part, and then the side will be that 55 centimeters. Okay, now I'll go on and connect my measurements, from my waist measurement to the hip measurement, from the hip measurement to the length, so that I can go on and cut out my back panel. And now we go on and draft the front panel. So we'll do the same measurements of the waist measurement, and then same measurement of the hip measurement as the back panel. Okay, so and now the center front now is different. So center front is the one that's gonna be a high part of our skirt. So center front, I will make it 40 centimeters. Okay, remember the center back is 70 centimeters. So now the center front is gonna be 40 centimeters, and then the side, remember the side is 55 centimeters, we made it 55 centimeters, and still here on the front panel, the side will be 55 centimeters. Okay. Okay, so the next thing now is to drive my marker from the 40 centimeters to 55 centimeters there on the side. Remember with the back, let me show you how we did it. So with the front panel, we are driving it from up, down. And then with the back, we drove it from down, up. Okay, I hope you can see the difference. So now we are taking it down. Okay, so I will drive my marker from the center front there, which is 40 centimeters, and drive it down to the 55 centimeters on the side there. Okay. Okay, and now I'll go on and finish it up by connecting the dots waist measurement, hip measurement, and so on. And then I'll go on and cut it out. And now we have the panels, the front, back and the front. And now let's put them together and see. And now we move on to the ruffle of the skirt. So I have the fabric here that will make the ruffle of the skirt. So with the width of 30 centimeters. So the width is 30 centimeters. And the length, it is about, I took the bottom of each panel and multiplied it by 1.5. Okay, so I've made 2 of the ruffles. Okay, so 1 for the back panel and then 1 for the front panel. So what I'll do now is that I'll go on and make some stitches so that I can be able to gather these and make my ruffles. Now it is time to attach the ruffle to the skirt. So I have both the ruffles here. So they are done both for the front and for the back. So now go on and attach them. So I went on and kind of trim any sharp edges or anything there. As you can see, the pieces there on the side, anything that is too sharp for my skirt. So don't be scared to cut out any sharp edges or something like that. So now let us go on and attach the ruffles to the skirt. So I will start with the back panel. Okay, so the right sides are facing each other like that. Okay, and the ruffle is facing down like so. Okay, so what I will do is that I'll just go on and pin the ruffle so that it is easy for me to just go on and stitch it. Okay. And we do the same with the front panel. We just align it there to the panel and then we go on, pin it, and then go to the machine and stitch it. Okay, now we are moving on. So our skirt is coming together. It is looking cute already. So now it is time to attach the waistband. Okay, so I have my waistband here. I've already pressed it. I've already prepared and pressed it. So what I will do, I kind of made it extra long, so I'll just cut away the extra part. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll just go on and attach it there around the waist. So this is how it looks. Okay, I made sure that the elastic that will go in there, it fits, the waistband fits the elastic there. Okay, so what I'll do now is that I'll just go on and attach it, and then after that I will channel through my elastic. Okay. Okay, so now waistband is now attached like that. So what I'll do now is that I'll go on and flip it up like that, and then I'll go on and fold it in so that I can go on and stitch it to finish it up, and then I will leave an opening so that I can go on and channel my elastic there. Okay. So to measure my elastic, I just put it around my waist and just kind of pull it until I feel it is comfortable for me to wear. And then I just cut it where it feels comfortable for me.